Dear students, welcome back to your science class. I hope so. You enjoyed your last class of science and all my good students have completed their work given by me as a small assignment of writing the names of the trees and drawing them. Now let's continue with the topic Plant Kingdom. Which chapter we were studying? Plant Kingdom. So in Plant Kingdom, what all we studied? In Plant Kingdom, we studied about the trees. We studied about the classification of the trees. We remember that we studied that how the trees and plants can be classified on the basis in which the area where it grow. You remember in the area. Area means in places like desert or places near the ocean, sea, or in dry places, in cold places. Then we also studied that how are plants grown on the basis of their shapes and sizes. Like some plants grow very tall, very big, some are very small. So we also remember, do you remember that I told you that some plants grow in cold places like strawberries and some grow in the weather of hot weather, summer season like yum mangoes. Now we'll continue that topic of classification of plants as per their shapes and sizes. We'll continue that classification of plants. You remember we did learn about the trees. Trees are very tall plants. Let's revise it, that trees are very tall plants. These plants are called trees. The very tall plants are called trees. Okay, they have strong, very strong, thick stem which is called trunk. An example of trees were mango tree, banyan tree, apple tree, coconut tree, peepal tree, bamboo tree. Then we also studied about the shrubs. We studied about the shrubs that some plants are small, then trees. They are smaller than trees. They are not as big as trees, but they are little smaller. Like you have the rose plant as your home, they are called shrubs. These have many branches. Their stem is hard but not very thick. ज़्यादा मोटी स्टेम नहीं होती पर बहुत हार्ड होती है. These are called shrubs. Their example also you have tulsi, it is a shrub. Rose, it is a shrub. I tell you one amazing fact that there are around 2000 different plants, different types plants that human use to cultivate food. जो हम food grow करते हैं उसके लिए in the world there are near about 2000 kinds of plants होते हैं. Now let's learn something new about the herbs. Before I tell you about the herbs, can you see the picture above the herbs? Hibiscus, cotton, rose, basil. Basil is the another name for tulsi. तुलसी को ही दूसरे नाम पे बेसिल कहते हैं. जैसे आपके 2 नेम्स होते हैं ना, एक होम वाला एक स्कूल का. समटाइम्स मम्मा प्यार से कहती है ना बाबू बच्चा. सिमिलरली tulsi have 2 names. One is tulsi, another is basil also. Now let's learn about herbs. Herbs. Some plants are very small. As you are small kids, these are small plants. They have thin, soft stem. They have thin and soft stem. They live for one season. एक season रहते हैं. That means few months. कुछ ही months रहते हैं. These plants are called, yes, such plants are called herbs. Example are grass. You remember on the ground, playground, there are many small green grasses. Those grasses is an example of herbs. Mint. You remember आजकल मामा यम पुदीना चटनी बनाती हैं. In Hindi, mint is called pudina. It is a kind of a herb. Spinach, palak. You all love palak paneer. It is a herb. You see, stem is very soft. Yes or no? And it only comes mostly in a season. एक ही सीजन में आएगा, थोड़े ही दिन आता है. तो it is a herb. Coriander, dhania, rice, wheat. These all are kinds of herbs. Now let's move to the another page. Now the next page, as it shows that there is a word climbers. But above that word, it's word के climbers के ऊपर अगर हम देखें तो there is a word grass, mint, spinach, rice. 4 pictures are there? Yes. These 4 pictures are of herbs. Now let's study about climbers. Now can you tell me what does word climber mean? Anyone? Yes. Very good. Climber means to climb. चढ़ने वाला. So some plants cannot stand erect. They cannot stand on their own. They are strong, not very strong, but they cannot stand. Remember when you were small, आप छोटे थे तो आपको चलने के लिए मम्मा पापा का हाथ पकड़ के चलना पड़ता था. Yes or no? Similarly, these are plants that need support to move. So they have weak stem, not very, but weak stem. कमजोर होते हैं. They need support to climb. अब something is growing up, तो it needs support to grow. Yes or no? If it is weak, so such plants are called climbers. If you go in your garden and you see there are some climbers in the garden also. If you have a big tree, near that always some climbers or some kinds of weak stems, they grow and they move up with the help of those trees only. Such plants are called climbers. Money plant. I must say you all remember there is a plant at your home, money plant with flat leaves, yellow and green. Mama ने कहते हैं money plant. You always ask mama इसका नाम money plant क्यों? That is a climber. So you remember if you put it somewhere, you need support. You need to give it support. आपको उसको support देना पड़ेगा. आप उसके पास कोई stem, कोई thread, something you put ना so that it can climb up. Yeah, another trees, it take the support of other trees. So to grow or to go up, it needs some support. That's why it is called climbers. चढ़ते रहते हैं. चढ़ने के लिए they need support. Many plants, bitter ground, grapevine. Grapevine means अंगूर. Pea plant are a few example of climbers. Climbers generally live for few months. For very few months they live. They don't live for long years. सालों नहीं रहते हैं. थोड़े months के लिए. But some may live for years. पर कुछ years तक भी रहते हैं. It is not climbers में. It is like some can live only for few months. Some can live for years also. Now bitter ground, money plant, grapevine, pea plant. I again repeat it. Bitter gourd, money plant, grapevine, pea plant. These all are climbers. These all are climbers. So money plant आपने देखा होगा. आजकल मम्मा लोग मटर भी आती, पी आती थी, अभी खूब मम्मा मटर छीलती, तो it is also an example of climbers only. Grapes, it is also an example of climbers. Now creepers. Creeper is a word about, we use this word for someone who creep on ground. Creep मतलब नीचे रिंग के चलना. You remember when you were very small और आप पकड़ के भी नहीं चल पाते थे, या आपने देखा आपके छोटे छोटे भाई बहनों के, they walk on the ground, they crawl. That's why these are called creepers. Some plants have small stem. Some plants have small and weak stem. उनकी stem बहुत weak होती है. They grow along the ground. वो ground के साथ ही grow होते हैं. Such plants are called creepers. Such plants are called creepers. Pumpkin, kaddu, watermelon, tarboos, and cucumber. That means खीरे. A few example of creepers. So you all must have seen pumpkin, watermelon, that green beautiful plant or fruit, we can say it comes from a creeper only. That nowadays mama must be cutting it reddish, pinkish inside. It is very juicy, very yum. Then cucumber. So these are the example of creepers. You can see there are 3 pictures of pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber. Yes. So these all are example of creepers. So now let's revise what we have studied up till now. We have studied the classification of plants as per their shapes and size. We have studied about the trees with strong, thick stem trunk, shrubs. An example of trees were mango, apple, and many more. Similarly, shrubs, those were hard stem, many branches. With cotton, examples were cotton, tulsi, rose. Then we heard about the herbs. Herbs that live for few months. They are very small and they only live for one season. And the example were grass, mint, spinach, rice. Yes or no? Now we also read about climbers. climbers जो ऊपर चढ़ते हैं support से. So these were money plant, pea, grapevine. Then we also read about creepers. Creepers. These were example were they were very weak stem. They crawl on the ground only. You know, one example of creepers were also strawberries. Strawberries are also creepers and a kind of climbers also. Some are kind of climbers, some are kind of creepers. So now we have learned about them. I hope so you enjoyed these class. And pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber, these are the example of creepers. Now in the next class we will study about the classification of plants as per their growing place. Yes or no? You remember I gave you an example of strawberry and mango. So mango can be grown in a place where it is hot, and strawberry grows in winter season and places where it is cold. So like this only many different plants are there which grow on the basis of the places. Now we will learn about them in our next class. So now with this I have given you a small question to write and draw. Kindly do that. There's a nice video explaining you about the plants classification on the basis of size. And one more thing, if you are not able to see the picture very clearly in the video, don't worry. I have already sent you these two pictures. You can download them and then read from the pictures. The chapter is clearly visible in those pictures. Now see you tomorrow in their next class. Hope you study hard and you enjoyed your class.